In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common Steam game issues by clearing your cache, repairing your library, and verifying game files. First, open the Steam app and look to the very top left corner. Click the Steam menu there, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, find and select Downloads on the left. This section manages how Steam handles data. It saves during updates and installations. Click Clear Download Cache. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Confirm. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be causing stalled downloads, corrupt updates, or installation hiccups. Note that Steam will restart after this and you may need to sign back in, so make sure you know your login details. Once Steam has relaunched, head back to the top left and click the Steam menu again. Choose Settings one more time, and this time select Storage. You'll see your Steam library folders listed here. Find the drive where your games are installed, click the three dots next to it, and then click Repair Library. This process checks the library folder structure and its permissions to ensure Steam can read and write properly. If your library was moved, interrupted during an update, or hit by a system crash, this can resolve a lot of file access errors. Let it finish before moving on. It may take a few minutes depending on your drive and the number of games. Next, go to your library to address the specific game you're having trouble with. Locate the game, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the window that opens, click Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your local files with the official versions on its servers and re-download anything that's missing or corrupted. This step is especially helpful if a game crashes on launch, is missing textures or audio, or through an error after a recent update. The verification can take some time, and larger games will naturally take longer. Keep Steam open and avoid launching other games until it completes. When verification finishes, try launching the game again. By clearing the download cache, repairing the library, and verifying the game's files, you've covered the most reliable fixes for download problems, installation issues, and corrupted content. These steps are safe to run and won't delete your save data stored in the cloud. If a game keeps updating after verification, that's normal. Steam is just replacing anything it fixed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back in the game quickly.